So what's up, content creators? Welcome back. In this video I'm going to share with you top 4 ways to make more money from your YouTube channel, and basically this video will help you make more money from your YouTube channel. So if you are a YouTuber, if you already have a channel, or if you want to make a new YouTube channel, then keep watching the video, because this video is going to help you make more money from your channel. So keep watching. Let's begin now. So let's talk about the number one method, and let's talk about it. So number one is YouTube ads. YouTube ads is one of the best and most common way to make money online. I mean, to make money on YouTube. So basically, to run ads on your videos, you need 1,000 subscriber and 4,000 watch time, and this is one of the very first thing that you'll use to make money from your YouTube channel. Every new creator wants to monetize their YouTube channel, and every creator wants to run ads on their YouTube channel. So to run ads, I mean to monetize your channel, you need 1,000 subscriber and 4,000 watch time, and then YouTube will allow you to run ads on your videos, and then you will earn money from that ads. So this is the very common and first method, YouTube ads. Let's talk about the second one. Second is sponsorship. Sponsorship, this is also common and most used method to make money on YouTube. Sponsorship means that when you become a YouTube creator, big YouTube creator, then many big brands will approach you and they will tell you to promote their product or promote their service on your video, and if you do that, then they will pay you money. So basically this thing is simple. Just you need to do is that approach some brand, or some brand will approach you and they will tell you to promote their product. Then you have to just do is that make a video and tell your audience about their product, and then they will pay you a lots of money. So it's simple second method, and it is also one of the most used method to make money from YouTube. Let's talk about the third method. Third is sponsorship. Sponsorship. Okay, I have already talked about this one. Third is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing means that you have to sell the products of some of the biggest e-commerce companies in the world, like Amazon, eBay. There are a lot of e-commerce website on the internet in this world. So just you need to do is that go to Amazon or any kind of e-commerce website, and you have to apply for affiliate marketer. And when you become affiliate marketer on that site, then you do is that sell your product to your audience, and then if your audience will buy that product from your link, then you'll get money. So that is the third method. Let's talk about the fourth. So fourth method is that you can make your own course and sell the course to your audience. So just like that you can make money. And if you have a technical YouTube channel, technology related channel, then you can make course on programming, Photoshop. There are Adobe Premiere Pro, After Effects. There are a lot of technology related stuff, and you can make course on that thing and then sell the course to your audience. Or if you have any kind of different channel, then you can just make a course on the different stuff and sell the course to your audience, and then you will earn money. And that was it. And I also have a fifth method that you can use to make money. Let me tell you now. So fifth is that you can make your own merchandise. Merchandise means you can sell your own product, like your t-shirt, pant or cap, anything, cup, jar, anything. Like many big creators like Mr. Beast, there are a lot of content creator. They sell their own merchandise and they make a lot of money. So for example, Mr. Beast, PewDiePie, they have their own product, I mean merchandise selling website like Mr. Beast shop.com. I think that is the name. shop.mrbeast.com. This is the correct name. So you can also make your site and sell your own product, and then when your audience will buy your merchandise, then you'll make money. So that was it. I hope that you have understood the full method and to make money from YouTube. I mean to make more money from YouTube. So if you have a YouTube channel, then go ahead, do this process. You will absolutely make more money from your channel. So that's it. See you soon. Make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and tap on the bell icon to get more videos, and also make sure to follow me on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram to get more technology and more knowledgeable content. See you soon. Bye bye. Peace.